Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your WRX model and that its turbo and intake allow flutter. This matters because different turbos respond differently. Once confirmed, gather tools and parts, boost controller, vacuum fittings, clamp, and a blow-off or recirculation valve suited to your setup. Begin with safety, park level, cool engine, battery disconnected, and relieve boost lines. Make sure to label hoses, that saves time. Then remove the intake piping to access the turbo compressor housing and wastegate actuator for the next actions. You create flutter by making the compressor side venting abrupt. Modify or replace the recirculation valve with a faster closing unit, or add a restrictor to promote pressure bleed back. Once done, adjust the wastegate actuator rod in small increments, 1 mm at a time, to increase spool sensitivity while monitoring boost. Then install a manual or electronic boost controller so you can dial the desired pressure. Make sure to torque all clamps and recheck vacuum routing. Incorrect lines kill the effect or damage components. You finalize by performing cautious test drives while logging boost and air/fuel ratio. This shows if flutter is stable and safe. If you hear harsh rasping or detect knock, reduce boost immediately and reevaluate timing and fueling. Flutter should never induce detonation. Once safe settings are found, secure fittings and retort clamps after heat cycles. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting by reverting the actuator to the prior position, checking vacuum/boost lines for leaks, and confirming the recirculation valve functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.